girl that I used to love so well. So take me back to the world where she let me in. Alright, so we're going to be picking some blackberries, and we're going to be making some blackberry juice from our bushes. And we're just going to go see which ones are ripe. Oh, yep, there's lots of bees today. Okay, let's see. This will take a while.
What does it mean when you get poked by a thorn?
Move to a different spot. And then when you get poked by it again, it means you have enough. But what if I just got poked by it again? All right, we just need 2. Oh, there's some big pet. Oh, Mom. Oh, thank goodness you're here. There's some at the top that I really would like you to get. Yeah, those don't look ready yet. Oh, there's some back there. Oh. Yep, I can try. Okay. Let's see. Oh, there's only a couple more there. Oh, yes. This is really good over here. No.
Ooh.
Maybe I should get from this side. Okay, this is what I do, so. Oh, I keep breaking it. Reach the other side. We got the welcome. Mom, there's some over here. We're gonna make it extra fruity today. We made some a couple of weeks ago with Kinsley. We had 100 blackberries. And yeah. Ooh, some blackberry pie sounds good. And some blackberry jam.
Ooh, look at those guys.
Oh my goodness. Look at those back there, but I can't reach them. That's so sad. Oh, look at those down there.
What's the plant saying if a bee flies in your face?
Get away.
Should you listen to that?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I remember that book. When he said the girl was trying to pick a flower.
Mm-hmm.
And the bee went up to, and it was the wrong flower, and the bee went up to it and died. That was so sad.
She didn't know how to listen to a plant, and she asked for guidance on how to understand what a plant is saying, and that was her answer.
Yeah.
Because oftentimes if it can't talk, we don't know how to listen. But it does talk, just a different language.
Not everything talks in English, where we can understand it. A couple more and I think we're good. We'll only need a little, so. Alright, time to head home.
Let's see what you got.
Huh? Oh yeah, that's definitely enough. My pants.
What is it?
I don't know.
Just up to your bottom.
They look like caterpillars. Hey, Junie. Here, try it. Oh. Where is she? Look. Look at this, right there. Look at them. They look like caterpillars.
Okay.
He wants to look through it and see the blackberries. Alright, we'll take this. See this part? We'll take this. Put it right there. And then, oh, yeah, that's better. Okay. So once we take that, we're going to put that on to keep it still. Alright, so we're going to take these blackberries and put them in a bowl. Oh, my God. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Mama. I need one like this. Okay. And then I'm gonna pour them in there. Alright. And then once I pour them in there, here, I'll let you see. Okay. Are making juice? Yep. Okay. Some blackberry juice. Grab those. And then I take one of these and I kind of mush it inside. Well, they're purplish brownish. You never know which type it is. Yes, it takes a while, but it's. Oh my goodness, this takes a while to smush it. We add water in there after we're done mixing it, and we pour it into here. Because if I don't put water and I just pour it, it won't really go through. So we have to put water to make it, mix it. Okay, so it looks this. It's almost finished. I see all those pieces of like blackberry, the big parts. Well, we want to get most of it squished, but we also want to keep some of it. I'll be right back. Just got the water and add it into our mixture. Kind of mix it. It's just black. Is that what?
These ones were so ripe.
No, it's not. Huh?
These ones were ripe.
It's blackberry. Yeah, they were like really ripe. We'll try it. Here, you try some. It's pretty good. We're gonna take this outside because we don't want to, we don't want to spill it. Giovanni won't get us, I guess. Okay. Take this. A little. We want to still get the juice in, but I'm trying not to get the seeds when I'm pushing. Oops. Okay. So then, wait. I have an idea. So, we take this, pour it on there. See how there's these that I didn't mix? Just gonna squeeze a little juice out of them. Okay. Okay, that's better. Girl that I used to love so well. So take me back to the world where she let me. It's going in slowly but surely. Okay. I'm gonna take it off again. There you go. There you go. That's for you. Is it good?
Did you eat blackberries?
Yeah.
How many? 13?
Yeah. Look out. That hot one. I just gotta wash my dishes. I like washing the dishes before, I don't think that's coming out. Okay, well, I'm gonna let it sit in hot water.
Sorry.
It's hot, like real hot. Alright, ready? So, I put this on it. Oh, thanks. Who wants to look inside blackberry juice?
Looks a little foggy.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it might be foggy. Okay. Lemon hot. Don't lemon juice it. One like this.
How do you make it hydrating?
Well, the best way is to do it is like put salt in it. Then you stir up the sweet in it. Only a little bit though. Ooh. So that's good. Actually, a little bit more. Okay, that's probably good. A little bit of salt. Lemon juice. You add it in there, Yep. Oh, that'd be fun if I just added a straw and just kind of want to mix it a little. I got lots of blackberries, you know, you saw how much we picked. So that was probably like 50. So we want to add a little bit more water. Yeah. Something is the same. Oh, Hazel, you know. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, come try it. Come try it. It's so good, Mom.
Oh, wow. Best one yet.
Yeah. They might have been, they're probably more ripe because me and Kinsley picked them. They were like first starting to grow, you know, when they're first black, you know. So, yeah.
That's delicious.
Yes. This is our third time?
Third batch.
Our first and our second. They were okay, but the second one was a little too watery and the first one was a little too, like sour.
Yeah.
So I don't really like it, but this one's sweet, sour, and bitter. Kind of bitter. So very sweet. Try it. It's hot. It needs to heat up. Okay. 414. Okay, that's probably good. I'm gonna let it sit for a second. That was crazy. Alright. That's what we're gonna use. Alright, I think it's ready to pour. Yeah. I need a little help. Thank you.
Got it.
It hurts. Okay.
You want to get a stool?
No, I think. Yeah.
There's a stool right there.
Oh, perfect. I'm trying not to touch the bottom. I'll add a little more water.
Okay.
We'll put it in the fridge for about, honestly, 15 minutes. Would be my guess until it's good, and we'll let everyone try some. That's got to take it. Okay. Well, that's it. Now I'm gonna clean up. Oh, that kind of is. If you have a really bad stain, you don't know how to get it out. Put hot water and a little soap in there and let it sit for like 15 minutes. Works. Sometimes when I'm cleaning, I pretend people order like stuff. They say, and when I'm cleaning the dishes, when I clean the cups, I'm like, I put water, soap on top, and I say, okay, who ordered an ice cold mocha? All right, so first we're gonna have Hendrix try it. Then we're gonna have Ari try hers. Yay! Then we're gonna have Hazel try hers. Do you like Heartland? All right. Then we're gonna have Mom try some.
Thank you.
And of course, Yops. All right. Okay. It's good. A little more chewy. Okay, please stop burping. Delilah, you made this be like a burp drink to me. This is the burpiest drink. Every time I take a sip, I burp. And it's not just a drink to, just drink. It's a hydration drink. What's a hydration drink? It's when you need to be hydrated. Why? Cheers.